In order to create your budgets easily, we have added default columns that allow you to insert the most common values in any budget. The code column lets you write every item with a unique identifier number. Use the description column to name items, sections, or whatever your budget needs. Try to establish clear names because, due to the shared project system in Mtrixsc.com, it's possible to share your projects with other persons, easing its reading. We will see some tutorial videos about that point later. This column is used to place weights, measure, or value units. So, in short, these three columns are used to arrange the cells and other units of all your budget, while the quantity and unit price columns handle the required mathematical calculations. Fill them in with the amounts and monetary values according to your needs. When you're finished, you will see that the value column will automatically generate the amounts that you've written. As you see, each cell in this column has a log icon. This is because these cells cannot be manually manipulated to ensure that there are no manual corrections from external factors. Finally, you can modify the aesthetics of each cell, row, or column for better visualization.